Welcome to Lady Flower Gardens. This video is going to describe how we begin our season in the greenhouse. In the greenhouse, we can begin seeding in March, and this way we give our plants a head start so that when it becomes warm enough, they can be transplanted into the soil and reach maturity faster. Starting the plants in the greenhouse can also protect vulnerable young plants and extend our growing season so we can get as much vegetables to the food bank as soon as possible. The plants we start in the greenhouse fall into different categories. The warm season vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and squash. These plants require a long, warm growing season and therefore benefit from the extra months of growing and warmth provided by the greenhouse. Cold crops like cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, and kale, which require long growing seasons and can be fragile early on. We also plant herbs like basil, oregano, and parsley in the greenhouse. As well, we start almost all of our flowers in the greenhouse so they are able to bloom by early summer and we can enjoy the beautiful flowers for longer. To begin seeding in the greenhouse, we fill trays with this special medium instead of regular garden dirt. This is to prevent soil-borne diseases and ensure the starting medium is delicate enough to support new roots. Then, we have to thoroughly wet the dirt so that the seed has enough moisture to become fertile and grow into a seedling. This process often requires multiple rounds of soaking the tray and letting the water absorb into the soil. After seeding, we cover with vermiculite, which is a natural lightweight mineral. It acts like a sponge, improving soil health by retaining essential moisture and nutrients, preventing soil compaction, and providing excellent aeration to plant roots. Sometimes we do not get good germination. Therefore, we broadcast the seeds into bigger trays and then transplant them into single cells when they are big enough. In order to transplant, you have to carefully remove the plant and wipe off some of the excess medium. Then, we use a paintbrush to place the plant in an empty cell and push the roots down into the dirt. We do that for every cell to fill the trays and save space in the greenhouse. Over the next couple of weeks to a month, the plant can continue to grow in this tray with watering and the extra heat provided by the greenhouse. Once the plant is ready, we bring them out on these tables to expose them to elements like wind and sun so they do not undergo as much shock when they are eventually transplanted into the soil in late May.